We've made some improvements in version 24 to envelopes and smart combinations. Let's have a look at these in a model. We have 4 different wind load cases in this model, so let's create an envelope for them. If we go to Analyses, Envelope, what you'll see is this new search function here. Obviously, this is a model with relatively few load cases, so it's easy enough to find the wind ones. But if it was a larger model, then the new search function can be very useful to narrow down the load cases available to put in the envelope. A big change you'll notice is that we now only get one entry in the tree view for our envelope. When we set it active is when we get to choose whether we want to optimize for maximum or minimum values. If we go into a smart combination, we can see some changes here too. As well as that filter, that search function, we also now have separate permanent and variable load cases. Let's put in the permanent load cases, for which we can put in our beneficial factor or our adverse factor, and the factor to be used will be chosen depending on whether the load case is adding or subtracting from the effect we're looking at. Our live or variable load cases can then go into this separate box for variable load cases. Obviously, the beneficial factor is always going to be 0 for a live load case, so therefore we no longer show that. Additionally, there's a new mode called leading and accompanying actions. When you choose this option, suitable for Eurocode and similar design codes, it allows you to specify the factor for a load set when it's not the leading variable. This significantly cuts down the number of required combinations and brings a resultant speed increase in processing the results too. Again, there is only one entry in the tree view for this new combination, and when we set it active, we choose whether to go for maximum or minimum values. Those are the improvements in envelopes and smart combinations in LUSAS version 24.